Number 10, the Leland Marina, 1971 to 80. Now, this was a car that Britain would probably rather forget. I'm not one for nationalism, but even I can admit this Marina was a bit of a mess. Here's the thing. British Leland wasn't exactly known for its stellar quality control in the 70s, and the Marina was a prime example. Rust seemed to be its best friend, and the whole car felt like it was constantly on the verge of falling apart. Don't get me wrong, I've seen some quirky British cars that I kinda dig, but the Marina, well, it wasn't even quirky in a charming way. The proportions were just off, like someone stretched a hatchback in all the wrong places. Maybe if it had been a bit more reliable, or if the design had been a touch more cohesive, it could have found a niche, but as it stands, the Marina is a reminder that sometimes taking a chance on a new design backfires. It wasn't sporty, it wasn't practical, it wasn't particularly good looking. The Marina was just there, and that in the world of cars is a fate worse than a breakdown.